Have you ever thought about how having a side income source while working a corporate job can bring you not just extra money, but also security, freedom, and growth? Let's be honest, relying on just one paycheck in today's world can be risky, so why not explore options to secure your future? Trust me, this is not just a financial decision, it's about taking control of your life and having more options, so let's dive into why and how you can make this work. Before we get carried away with the benefits, let's be real here. Starting a side hustle while working full-time in a corporate job comes with its own set of challenges. Let's look at what you might face. 1. Time management. You're already dedicating a huge chunk of your day to your corporate job, so where do you find the time for a side hustle? Balancing meetings, deadlines, and personal life can be overwhelming. 2. Burnout. Working long hours on your job and then pushing yourself to work on your side hustle after office hours can lead to mental and physical exhaustion. 3. Balancing priorities. Your corporate job is your primary source of income, and there are high expectations. It's tough to manage both responsibilities without compromising one or the other. 4. Learning new skills. Starting a side hustle often means you need to develop new skills like marketing, managing finances, or understanding the tech needed for your business. This learning curve can feel intimidating. 5. Unstable income. When you first start a side hustle, the income can be unpredictable. You may have months of great earnings followed by periods where nothing comes in, which can be frustrating. 6. Sacrificing personal time. To make time for your side hustle, you may need to cut back on things like socializing, relaxing, or hobbies, which can feel like a sacrifice in the short term. Alright, now that we've discussed the challenges, let's focus on the solutions. Yes, it's hard, but it's not impossible. With the right strategies and mindset, you can make your side hustle work for you. Here's how. 1. Master time management with structured routines. Time is your most valuable resource. Break down your day into chunks. For example, wake up an hour earlier to work on your side hustle or dedicate an hour after work. 2. Set boundaries to prevent burnout. You need rest to stay productive in both areas. Try using the CD Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Schedule days off where you focus on self-care or hobbies to recharge. A lot of entrepreneurs like you, the Gary Vaynerchuk, talk about how crucial it is to avoid burnout by creating boundaries around work. 3. Prioritize tasks smartly. Focus on high-impact tasks. For your corporate job, ensure your main responsibilities are covered so you don't risk your employment. For your side hustle, break down your big goals into smaller, actionable tasks. For example, if you're launching a blog, start by writing one post a week instead of overwhelming yourself with a full website. Real-life example. Tim Ferriss advocates for the 80-20 rule, where 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Apply this to focus on tasks that bring the most value. 4. Invest in learning one skill at a time. The learning curve is real, but don't overwhelm yourself. Start small and focus on mastering one skill. For instance, if your side hustle is in e-commerce, learn the basics of digital marketing first. Real-life example. Marie Forleo started her business with just a laptop and learned everything step by step, from copywriting to online marketing, and now runs a multi-million-dollar business. 5. Prepare for fluctuating income by budgeting wisely. Treat your side hustle income as a bonus at first. Build a small emergency fund for months when things are slow. A helpful tool here is the 50-30-20 rule. Use 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or investments. Once your side hustle grows, you can shift more income toward your goals. Real-life example. Pat Flynn, who started with a side hustle in affiliate marketing, always advises on having a runway, a financial buffer to manage slow months. 6. Sacrifice short-term pleasures for long-term gains. It's tough to give up Netflix binges or weekend parties, but think of the bigger picture. Set clear goals and remind yourself why you're doing this. Sacrificing a few hours of TV now could mean financial freedom later. Real-life example. Damon John, founder of Fubu, used to work a full-time job during the day and then hustled for his business late into the night. 7. Outsource when possible. As your side hustle grows, you don't have to do everything yourself. Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to outsource small tasks like graphic design, bookkeeping, or social media management. Even if it feels like an investment, it frees up time for you to focus on what really matters. Real-life example, Sarah Blakely, founder of Spanx, outsourced key tasks in the early days, which allowed her to focus on growing the brand. So there you have it, folks. Yes, starting a side hustle alongside a corporate job can be challenging, but the rewards far outweigh the difficulties. With careful planning, smart time management, and the right mindset, you can build something that not only provides extra income but also gives you a sense of purpose and security. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Each step you take now brings you closer to financial independence, and trust me, your future self will thank you. If this video gave you some value or motivation, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more insights on building a better, more secure future. I'm rooting for you. Let's make 2025 the year of hustle and growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.